First unpacked it, that this one kind of looks like the official one and not like a knockoff, but yeah, I will show you in a second what I mean, because I thought first maybe I'm just strange or something. So let's actually have another close-up look. We got pretty much this normal home button. Got all these little buttons on the sides as well. Got decent Joy-Cons, and also the top kind of looks pretty familiar. And then on the back, which is very interesting, is you got this little blank space here, and now it almost looks like the original one, except there's no Nintendo in the center of that. I will show you that in a second as well when we compare the controllers, because I have a feeling like this might be the exact controller, just without the branding, but the same factory or something. Or they did a really good job. As you see, they do definitely almost look identical. They are almost the same weight, and as you see, only the Switch logo is missing. Otherwise, that looks so close and so similar. Even the little pattern on the sides, the little dots and that is here as well. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy or something, but I have a feeling like this is like the same controller, basically, just without Nintendo actually claiming it to be Nintendo. But yeah, it feels the same, moves the same, it's just crazy to me. I don't know, I've never had a bootleg or a third party company controller that was so similar. Just crazy. Even the fonts and everything, it's just like almost the same. So close. So close. And I think that might even be the same one, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know. It just feels so similar. It's crazy. Also the top here, if you look at it, you get the same layout, we get the same letters, we got the same blank space here. Almost like the same curve, I think. It's crazy. And then on the back, as I said, you will see here, we got the centerpiece and it says Nintendo. And here we have the centerpiece and there's no branding in there, but otherwise it's looking the same. I mean, I don't know. It's just crazy. I don't know if these are the same actually. Can't really tell. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Can't tell ya. But it feels like there's, I don't know, way too similar to be random. Also, like the little number on the side, same spot, left corner. I don't know. Well, I definitely recommend this one though. No matter if it is the same or not, it is so close and it feels so similar. It's just crazy to me. And if you can save some money on that, that's even better. And yeah, I thought this is a definitely must share. And yeah, I mean, that's all I have to say for today's video. So I will see you in the next one, and you guys take care. And here's like another bootlegged control, and they look so differently for the Switch, for sure. So I don't know. So I'm Badger, I'm out. I will see you in the next one, so take care, you guys.